But yeah, this is my new 2019 Tacoma. I'm filming this first part again because I didn't like how it looked the other day. So if the days look different, that's why. So I think I am wearing the same shirt, but it's like a week later, so who cares? It's also like really bright out here and early. But yeah, this is my new 2019 Tacoma. Already got the stickers on the back, fishing stuff in the back. I've always wanted one of these because some of my favorite YouTubers growing up had them. I'm gonna change the tires. I'm gonna get a light bar for right here. I might get a 2-inch lift and 1.5-inch spacer, so it's dirty in here. Okay. It was clean when I filmed the other part of the video, but yeah. That's my transducer, bro. That's not good. I love this truck. I've had it for about 3 weeks now. Sorry to take my kayaks out. Done about everything. Alright, so I love how this back end looks. Alright, this is my car. My other car. It's a 2005 Accord, but like, it looks so good, except for the fact that I crashed it. So we're gonna get that fixed because the Tacoma is not fuel efficient, but. All right, let's go on a little Walmart run and let's go get food, and then let's go fish. Be happy. Let's go, we're on the road. We got Mick, chat. You don't have to see me through the thingamajigger. All right, so we got the GoPro and everything. I didn't record because my great grandma was in there, so I was hanging out with her, helping her get stuff. She got me some lures. Oh my god, my bank account's hurting, so it's probably over 500. So we got this. Woo! Don't pay for the name brand GoPro stuff because you can get this. The price of all of this was still cheaper than the GoPro chest mount. And the SD card, we can't hurt the SD card, so that's, woo, GoPro! But that's so nice compared to my other GoPro that it has like because like the other one had to have a whole case around it. All right, let's get home. Recording me. All right, walking down to the spot. Just parked off the road there because, yeah, I'm excited to fish here. Because I fished way downstream of this. I've never really fished. Look, that was probably a carp. I've never really fished this section, but there's a few species in here that I really want to catch. Start with weightless Senko. Yeah, this is my Corrado DC. This isn't the one I don't normally have it on because that one, I normally had it on a 7-1 medium St. Croix, but oh, I already had a fish. No, what the? Oh my god, I thought I broke off. I already had like a nice fish. Oh, I got Senkos in here. I don't know why, but like some places, even though they're discontinued, some places you can still find them, which I'm really happy about because it's one of my favorite baits of all time. I'm not like used to having this reel on this rod yet, so if I make some bad casts, just bear with me. This rod's a 610, and I normally have it on. I don't have this reel on a 7-1. Okay, we got ourselves a smallie. I think that's the most unfortunate way I've hooked a fish. I got you, buddy. Chill. I'm sorry, bro. That had to hurt. Gosh. A little smallmouth. Imagine this, but like 15 times the size. Probably about a 6-7 incher. Pretty little guy. Yeah, that's. It's crazy how fish like that will eat this bait. Nice fish, chat. Largemouth, what the dang. I mean, it's not nice, but I thought that was gonna be a smallmouth, chat. River largie. I mean, if this was a smallmouth this size, I would be pretty happy, but I mean, at least it's a fish. Yeah. Thanks. Okay. Okay, nice little largie goes back in rhythm. I thought that was gonna be a nice smallmouth, I can't lie. But I'm happy. Bro, the biggest spider is in my bag. Oh my god, I'm so terrified of spiders, bro. I don't want to kill them though, because like spiders are chill. But that's just my. Bro, out. Oh my gosh, no. Get out my bag, bro, please. For the love of everything, bro, oh my god. That thing is massive. He's massive. Bro, please get out of my bag. Oh my god, he's huge. You know what? I'm not changing plastics. You can have my bag, bro. You can keep it. No! Oh my god, I just broke up on a giant. Or I didn't break up. Oh my god, I just lost a giant.